Love it or list it? Let's talk about one of the side effects of getting your house ready for market. Hi, I'm Carey from the Carey Collective, and we are your Northern Virginia relocation specialist team. We are the best at helping you buy from out of state, out of country, move, sell when you're not even here, and maybe even just move up the street. Whatever you need, we are here for lifetime home support, and we've got you throughout the entire journey. Let's chat about the side effects of getting your house ready for market. So you know what happens. Your favorite real estate agent comes in. Hopefully they have a partner in design and really getting homes ready for market. And that may be coming up with a punch list for fixing repairs in the home, painting certain rooms, taking some different art down, putting up some different art, even little renovations like bathrooms and kitchens. Small things can make a huge difference when you're getting your house ready to market. And once you get those things done, once you go through that punch list that your agent and their designer have helped you create, sometimes, just sometimes, you sit back and wonder, why in the world are we selling? Or why did we not get this ready before? Why didn't we do this years ago and enjoy the full possibility of our home, because it feels so good when it's ready to hit the market. And now that, although we are still getting a little bit of snow and cold weather here in Northern Virginia, but we are moving to the spring market. It feels like spring for buyers. It feels like spring for sellers. And what I would recommend for you, if you're considering selling, maybe not this year, maybe it's next year, why not reach out? Why not do that punch list with your agent to get your home ready for market and see if you can enjoy just a little bit more time in your home? Then maybe you decide, once you have that all done, that it's not the right house for you. Maybe you're like, you know what? This house is ready for the next family. This house has been great to us. We've done so many memories, and now we're gonna pass it on. So it is February 2025 right now, and I really encourage you to reach out. If you're thinking about selling this spring, if you're thinking about selling next spring, or even in 2 years, why not reach out and start that walkthrough appointment? Just build that relationship, get to know the contractors, create the home of your dreams, and you can decide, do you love it or do you want to list it? Make sure you shoot me a DM, follow me here on YouTube, follow me on Instagram, anywhere that you are. The Carey Collective is there, and we are here to help you. So reach out if you want to schedule that walkthrough appointment, and I'll make it happen.